Good morning, my dear friends. As part of case presentations, today we'll discuss about schizophrenia. Means today's topic is like a case presentation is on schizophrenia. So now I would like to explain about my case. That is, a case presentation is on schizophrenia. So the first, before taking before knowing any disease conditions from the any of the patients when we are posted in the psychiatric ward, okay, we as a nurse we must understand that first we need to, when we are collecting the history from the patients, the first foremost thing is we need to take the introduction from the patients. Then we need to go for all the biographical data, family history and all. So under history collections, first I would like to explain about introduction. So here the introduction of case present introduction about the schizophrenia patient. As a part of my clinical postings, I was posted in open psychiatric ward in a psychiatric hospital at Hyderabad. I took the case of Mr. Suresh, the age of 30 years of age, and he was admitted on 9th 2020 at 12 p.m. and with the chief complaints of repeated talking and lack of interest for doing his activities. Even he is having lack of interactions with the society, okay, social interaction, lack of social interaction, and no personal hygiene of maintenance, and that means there is no personal hygiene, and he is unable to do his daily activities properly, and there is a dissatisfaction in the job. These are the chief complaints the person is having, Mr. Suresh. And so he was diagnosed so after when he admitted in the hospital, after observing, after taking subjective data, objective data, even the psychiatric doctors, those who are in the Hyderabad hospital, psychiatric hospital, so the doctor was diagnosed as paranoid schizophrenia by observing these all the symptoms. So the psychiatric doctor, the name of the psychiatric doctor who diagnosed this case is, his name is Mr. Siddharth Sharma. Okay. So now hereby we completed introduction. Now we'll move on to the history collection of the patient. Okay, the client first the first profile or identification data in the patient profile. Okay, history collection entered under history collection. Introduction under history collection we have completed introduction. Then we'll move on to the patient profile. Under patient profile, first we need to know the identification data of the patient. The name of the patient is Suresh, and his age is 33 years and 30 years of age, and he is a male, and religion is Hindu. The IP number is 21228, and the marital status of my patient is totally completely unmarried, and his education is postgraduated, and occupation is businessman, and address is Sikindrabad, Telangana. Okay, the informant are father. Why I have taken father as informer means because he is unmarried, so father only looking after his mother died in at the age of 10. His mother was died, so that is the way the father only take caring of the kids. Okay, so as based on that I took informer, father as informer. Then the diagnosis is the date of admission, date of admission is 29th to 2020, and diagnosis is paranoid schizophrenia. Okay, then we'll move on to the present chief complaints of the patient. Okay, present chief complaints of the patient. Here the two things we should know before asking the chief complaints from the patients. Even we need to take the chief complaints from the patient as well as the informer. Okay, here first we need to ask the patient about the chief complaints of his illness. Okay, according to the client, he is saying that he is losing his interest and he is feeling lethargy. He is unable to do his daily activities properly, and even he is not having he is unable to maintain his personal hygiene, and he is having lack of social interaction since 6 years. Okay, this is given by the patient. According to the informer, the client father is saying that the patient is not, the Suresh is not having communication with anyone, and he feels to be alone always. Okay, then this is the information which is given by the father. Okay, this is the presenting chief complaints. Next, we'll move on to the history of present illness. History of present illness. This is also, first we need to take history of present illness. We need to take from the patient as well as the family. So when I ask the patient to tell about your present illness, why you are came to here, what are the problems you are facing, or what are the situations are made you to bring to psychiatric hospitals, what are the present symptoms you are facing. So when I am asking the patient, so he opened up your mouth and he said that, so I am a 30 years of old male, and the chief complaints of a reduction in physical and mental well-being since 6 years. Then so he is telling that he was completely belittled by his sisters and schoolmates for being obese, so which reduced his which reduced his self-esteem, and he started performing poor in school works, and from childhood itself he started developing a feeling of being left alone, and was not able to tolerate even small bullying. So why he was suffering these all the symptoms, in the sense only because of he is a obese person. Okay, normal than the normal see, whatever the normal weight is there, normal than that he was having a overweight. So because of that overweight only, all the sisters or schoolmates or all the friends are bullying him, thereby he started developing a symptoms. Then later on he started feeling that all the people he came across are talking about him behind his back. So whenever he is crossing a people on the road or on the any other places, so he always used to think that the people are commenting me, that people are talking about my obese personality itself. So he used to feel like that. Then he also comments that people outside does not having manners, and after completing post graduation he started working as a trainee at auditory office, but there also he left the job after 6 months, with a feeling of insecurity, and he joined in another job, another company. The company name is coffee trading company, and there also he couldn't able to face that all the situations. There also he felt insecurity, and he couldn't not held on that job either, and he came back to the house, and again he started a job he joined with his father's business, and now at present he is helping his father in the family business. Okay, during this period of time, during the period of time means during his post graduation, where he did his post graduation in Bangalore, there once he consulted a psychiatrist at NIMHANS, in 2008, as he was feeling some kind of sexual abusement done on him by his father and sister. So he have given complaints that, so always, because he is having delusional thoughts and all. So he had given at 2008, he has once visited Nimhan Psychiatric Hospital in 2008 Bangalore. So there he given some complaints that, so my sister and my father also harassing me, they were abusing me sexually. He given these kind of complaints to the doctors. Then he also complains that he is intolerable to the traffic and noises. Even he couldn't able to bear when the traffic is going on or when the noise is going on. These are the present history of present illness which is given by the patient. Now again we need to take the history of the present illness from the informer. Informer is father. So according to his father, Okay, according to his father, what the father giving statement on about the patient means. So the he was the young child, so the Suresh was the young child of a non-contiguous parents with two elder sisters, both are unmarried. So he had a two elder sisters, that both sisters are unmarried. And like he was apparently healthy till his 8th standard. Okay, he was very healthy till his 8th standards. Later on, his schooling performance started becoming very poor, and he always showed his less enthusiasm in all the other activities. Once his father remembers an incident. So he remembered one incident when we are collecting history from the father. He remembered one incident. He said that incident also, when Suresh stood near the window. Okay, he started abusing people walking outside, saying that they are intended to harm him. So he used to have all hallucinations and illusions and all delusions and all. So one day the father have observed, it seems. So how means, like when the people are going on the road, so these Suresh used to scold them. He used to think that the people are abusing him. Okay, they may come and they may harm him. He used to think like that, and he used to talk himself itself. Okay, then he was taken to, then after the observation of the father, one day the father has taken him to a psychiatrist, and there was under treatment. So there he given treatment. There the hospital's management is given treatment for him. Thereafter his studies improved. Okay, thereafter his studies also improved after taken a treatment. And suddenly one evening he shouted at his father that his sisters has been abusing him each night, but on a realistic account his sisters was not there at home. So actually, so the Suresh, one day Suresh also said suddenly. Okay, he said that, see, sisters all are these both sisters are abusing me sexually at night time. So I don't want to stay with them, and I don't want to be with them. I don't want to talk with them. Please, you make them to go about. You send them out. And he used to shouted on his father. So actually the reality is actually that time. Okay, when he given the complaint, at that time the both sisters were not at home. Okay, they were in the relative's house. Okay, the later on he lost interest in all the activities, and he used to appear as anxious at all the time. Okay, then he was admitted here. Okay, he was admitted here for a better treatment of his present condition. So now we have taken the patient to the psychiatry here, the Hyderabad hospitals, to for a better treatment. Okay, the treatment what they were giving presently, which treatment they were giving means they were giving the present treatment is like. Tablet Topaz 100 mg once in a day, and tablet Schizofin 100 mg twice in a day. So these are the treatments the patient is taking, and even he is not at all taking any Ayurvedic treatment before. The next we'll move on to the past psychiatric and medical history. Here the past psychiatric and medical history is patient is not having any history of diabetes mellitus, hypertension, or infectious diseases, or like any diseases which is related to the eye, ear, dental, or no head injury, or any no other surgeries, or any meningitis. Okay, this is the medical history and all. Then we'll move on to the family history. Here the family history is a patient grandfather had some sort of psychiatric illness, details of which are not known. Okay, here father means grandfather had some sort of mental illness, but which are unknown, it seems. When we are asking the patient father, is telling that we don't know, but he used to show some sort of mental illnesses, it seems. So here the family history, because he was the unmarried family, he was the unmarried. So here the family composition is father name is Rama Rao. His age is 54, and he is the father of patient, and he is also graduated, and his occupation is businessman. Okay, like is income is like around 60 to 50 to 60,000 is earning per month, and he is healthy. Then the sisters, elder sister name is younger, both are the younger sisters only for him. First sister name is Kirti, 28 years of age, female, and she is the sister for patient, and she is doing job, she is a graduated, and 30,000 per month she is earning, she is healthy. Then the Srija is the second younger sister for my patient, and she is having 26 years of age and female, and she is also doing the job, and she is also earning around 25,000 per month, and she is also healthy. Okay. Next we'll move on to the personal history of the patients. Okay, what is the personal history of the patients means he is having hepatitis was good. Okay, patient appetite, sleeping pattern was good. Sleeping pattern is around, he is not having a proper sleeping, insomnia he is having, like hepatitis was good, bowel regular, and micturition is 60 to 70%, and straw colored urine, and sleep is reduced, and habits is nil, and allergy is poor, sometimes for dust he may habituated with the allergy, and diet is purely he is vegetarian. Okay. Next we'll move on to the socio-economical history. Here the socio-economical history. Here after personal history we'll go for the socio-economic history. Here the socio-economic history is like monthly family income is around 1 lakh per month. They are earning, all the family, and breadwinner of the family is the father, and the source of income is they were getting as a business, they were doing business, and some people, the sisters are doing the job, and the financial status was good, and the type of house is pakka house and own house. All the facilities are good, ventilation good, electricity is there proper, drainage system is there, lighting, proper lighting was there, and water facility was good, and waste disposal and latent facility municipality was taking, and all availability of hospitals are there nearby them, and clinicals and the health centers, markets are available, temple, school transportation also good for them. Okay. The next one is we'll move on to the perinatal history. Here the perinatal history, prenatal, postnatal, and intranatal. Here the prenatal history, here he started his immunization at the birth, BCG, then radiation, there is no radiation has been done by his mother when he was in the womb, and she has taken folic acid and iron tablets, and the intranatal history is the mode of delivery is the cesarean section, and the birth weight of the baby is 3.5 kgs. The postnatal history is he developed good milestones. Okay. Then childhood history is he started his breastfeeding after the birth. Then the age of weaning is 6 months, and there is no mental deprivations, and developmental milestones was good, and he was started his toilet training at 20 months of his age, and problems, he don't have any problems like stuttering or stammering or any neurosis or nail biting and all. Okay. He had a good childhood history. Then play history is he used to have some kind of play, good play, and he is having a good pair relationship with the playmates. Then the educational history is a average student, and menstrual and obstetrical history, here there is no nil significant, and occupational history, he started his job at the age of 23, and there is no satisfaction in his job, and he had a he don't have a good relationship. When he was a child he had good relationship, when he came to the occupation job he don't have a good relationship with subordinates or peers.